Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're solving a definite integral. We have the integral from 0 to 1 of 2t minus 1 everything to the square dt. As we can see, there is a power there. When we had derivatives, we remember that we had something like a chain rule, which does not exist here. On integrals, something kind of like an answer to a chain rule could be a u substitution of a change of variable, but in this case this is just elevated to the square. So what we need to do is just develop the binomial. Before we start, let's manipulate that integrand. Okay, we have 2t minus 1 to the square, and what we could remember here is that when we have a binomial to the square, is equivalent to the square of the first minus 2 times the first element times the second element plus the square of the second element. This will be 4t squared minus 4t plus 1. So if we rewrite our problem, this will be the integral from 0 to 1 of 4t squared minus 4t plus 1 dt. Now we're ready to complete the problem. Now let's remember as well that the integral from a to b of a function f of x dx is equivalent to the original function evaluated on the upper bound minus the original function evaluated on the lower bound. Okay, so let's integrate first. We'll have 4 t cubed over 3 minus 4 t squared over 2 plus t. And this needs to be evaluated from 0 to 1. Okay, basically what we need to do is we need to find an f of b minus our f of a. So let's change that. What is our value of b? Will be f of 1, and our value of a is f of 0. Okay, so the function is 4t cubed over 3, which will be 4 times 1 to the cube over 3 minus, well, 4 divided by 2, that should be 2 times 1 to the square plus 1. And as you can see, this function has in every term has t. So the f of 0 is just going to be 0. It's going to disappear, so we don't need to even write that one. Okay, we'll have now 4 times 1 is 4 thirds minus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. This is equivalent to 4 thirds minus 1. 1 in thirds is going to be 3 thirds. So 4 thirds minus 3 thirds, it will be 1 third. And this should be our answer. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can send your questions, follow us on social media. We will be happy to help and support your questions.